Picture this, a car that brings supercar looks, heart-thumping performance, and pure American muscle all in one package. That's the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray C8. Today, we're not just reviewing a car, we're diving into an experience that redefines the legacy of American sports cars. Let's take a closer look at why the Corvette Stingray C8 is more than just a car, it's a statement. The first thing you notice is the design. Sleek, aggressive, and crafted to cut through air, the Stingray C8's lines are bold and confident. Up front, you've got sharp LED headlights that slice into the body, leading down to a wide, purposeful grille. It's not just for show, the front intakes are precisely engineered to channel air, cooling the powerful engine at the core of this beast. Every curve, every line speaks to performance and speed. The rear view is just as striking, with a bold spoiler and quad exhaust tips that hint at what this car is truly capable of. The Corvette looks like it belongs in the supercar league and it's ready to take on that role. Slip into the driver's seat and you're in a cockpit that's all about you. Chevrolet's crafted an interior that wraps around the driver, keeping everything within easy reach, so there's no distraction, just pure focus on the road ahead. Premium materials like leather, carbon fiber, and even Alcantara add to the feel of luxury and sportiness. The digital driver display is fully customizable, giving you the data you need right when you need it, while the infotainment system integrates seamlessly with your phone. But here's the thing, you'll barely even notice the infotainment. The sound of the engine, the vibration in the wheel, the feeling of acceleration, those are the real features you'll care about. And then there's the heart of this car, a 6.2-liter V8 that produces an electrifying 495 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the Stingray C8 doesn't just accelerate, it launches. From 0 to 60 mph in about 2.9 seconds, you're not driving, you're rocketing forward, with the mid-engine layout giving you precise balance and handling. Take it into a corner, and you feel the grip and stability, making every turn exhilarating. This isn't just about numbers on paper, it's about the raw thrill of speed and control. Now, you'd expect a car with this kind of performance and design to cost a small fortune. But the Stingray C8 starts at around $66,000, making it one of the best value sports cars on the market. Chevrolet has managed to bring a high-performance, mid-engine car within reach for more drivers, and that's a game changer. So if you're looking for a car that combines supercar flair, mind-blowing power, and an unmistakable American spirit, the 2025 Corvette Stingray C8 isn't just a car to consider, it's a car to crave. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, and remember to subscribe to Car Trend for all things fast, bold, and beautiful on four wheels.